Low omega-3 levels are linked to depression, and after experimenting with myself, I found that it also improves sleep and mood. If you ever struggle with low mood, brain fog, and memory problems, your brain might be missing something essential, omega-3. These fatty acids aren't just another health trend. They are a game changer for your mind and mood. Here's why they matter and how to get enough of them. So let's talk about what makes omega-3 so powerful. Omega-3 fatty acids are like brain fuel. They are essential for keeping the brain itself flexible and functioning well. Think of it like oiling a car engine. Your thoughts run smoother, your focus sharpens, and your mood becomes more stable. But here's the catch. The body doesn't produce omega-3 naturally. That means it has to come from your diet. And sadly, most diets today are missing the mark. How omega-3 helps with depression. Studies have shown that people with low levels of omega-3 are more likely to experience symptoms of depression. These fatty acids help regulate neurotransmitters like serotonin, the feel-good hormone. It is not magic, it is just giving your brain what it is craving. Brain fog and memory boost. Ever find yourself forgetting simple things or struggling to stay focused? Omega-3 improves communication between brain cells, which sharpens memory and clears up that foggy feeling. It is like turning on the lights in a dark room. Suddenly everything feels clearer. And let's talk about best sources of omega-3. You might be wondering where to get omega-3. The best sources are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. But if fish isn't your thing, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are great plant-based options. Of course, there are omega-3 supplements, but always go for high-quality ones. How much is enough? Experts recommend around 250 to 500 milligrams of omega-3 per day for adults. But if you're dealing with depression or brain fog, a higher dose might be beneficial. Talk to a healthcare professional to find your sweet spot. I also want to mention balance matters. It is also important to watch your omega-6 intake. Processed foods are loaded with omega-6, which can throw your body out of balance. Focusing on more omega-3 helps tip the scales back in your favor. Making omega-3 a part of your daily routine is one of the smarter things you can do for your brain and mood. So if you're tired of feeling foggy or low, give your brain the nutrition it needs. You'll feel the difference. Clearer thoughts, better focus, and a happier, more balanced mind. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.